Are your health choices more reactive than intentional? Like you're just trying to get through the day, hoping you'll make the best choices in the moment. Being more intentional about your health choices can change your decisions from haphazard to purposeful and help you move the needle towards a healthier, more purpose-driven lifestyle. Hi, I'm Valerie, a lifestyle nurse dedicated to helping you live a healthier, longer life. In this video, I'll be talking about what it means to make intentional choices, how planning can help you stay on track, and how to find that balance on the continuum of healthy living that works best for you. Being intentional with your health choices is about actively deciding how you want to show up for yourself, rather than simply reacting to what life throws at you. It's about consistently moving the needle toward a lifestyle that aligns with your deeper purpose. Each health-related choice you make exists somewhere on a continuum. At one end, you have choices that align fully with your health goals. These are the choices that nourish your body, support your well-being, and move you closer to the life that you want to live. On the other end, there are the choices that take you further away from those goals. The goal is to make intentional decisions that tip the balance in favor of healthier living. As you learn more about the habits that will move you toward better health, reflect on what resonates most with you and plan how to integrate it into your daily life. This intentionality helps you focus on progress rather than perfection, and it gives you the flexibility to make choices that are sustainable and meaningful to you. Intentionality starts with planning. When you take the time to plan your meals, your movement, or even your rest, you're making space for success. Planning gives you clarity. It helps you anticipate challenges, and it helps reduce the stress of making the right decisions in the moment. If you are part of one of my health programs, alongside this video, you will be provided with planning tools like a meal planner and a movement planner. These are designed to help you map out your intentions for the day, the week, and even the month. But if you are using one of those tools, or if you're using one of your own, or even one of the many planning apps that are out there, the goal is still the same: to decide ahead of time how you want to show up for your health. It's important to recognize that no one lives perfectly at the healthiest end of the continuum all the time. Life is full of celebrations, challenges, and moments where you might choose something that doesn't align perfectly with your goals. That is okay as long as it's intentional and you love the reason behind your choice. For example, let's say you're going to a family gathering at the end of the week and you know that a homemade dessert will be there that is meaningful to you. That choice may not move the needle toward your health goals, but if it's made with intention and fits within your broader plan, it's not a setback. It's part of a sustainable, balanced lifestyle. What matters is that those choices are intentional and what you really want. Or maybe you decide you want to stay committed to your health and pass on that dessert. That is certainly okay too. Again, it is about deciding what you want and being intentional about your choices. Over time, as you take what you learn about each healthy habit and apply it with intentionality, you'll find a balance on the continuum that's sustainable for you. Realize, though, that the balance of these choices have to be on the healthier side of the continuum in order for your health to improve. Planning is the foundation of making intentional choices. It's about deciding ahead of time how you want to align your actions with your health goals, rather than leaving things to chance or reacting in the moment. Using tools to plan your meals, movement, or any other health-related behavior can help you take the healthy habits that you want to stick to and create a plan that works for you. For example, use a meal planner to think through your meals for the week, ensuring that they align with the healthier lifestyle that you are trying to build. Or use a movement planner to schedule activities that help you stay consistent with your goals. Planning gives you clarity and control, helping you anticipate obstacles and make decisions that keep you moving the needle toward a healthier lifestyle. You don't need to be rigid or perfect, but you do want to plan out your health actions to make sure that they are aligned with your purpose. So for this week, simply plan your meals out. They don't have to meet any specifications for now. As you learn more about what food choices align with better health, you can begin to factor that in. When you take time to plan, you're creating a system that empowers you to make intentional choices, both big and small, in a way that feels sustainable for the long term. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more content that supports your health journey. And if you're part of one of my health improvement programs, please refer to your program materials for guidance on how to apply these concepts. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. And if you're interested in joining a program designed to make optimal health accessible and achievable, let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching and dedicating this time to your well-being. I hope to see you in the next video. Until then, take good care of yourself.